Just a little update on my wagon. Haven't started it since I actually replaced the throttle body. It still needs a tune, but I'll let you guys hear it. Got good oil pressure. Oh, you're gonna laugh at this. My check engine light runs backwards. If the light is off, that means I got a cold set. I'll check for codes later. But let's see. Yeah, I'm not sure you can read it, but yeah, it runs rich, but still has that. It still has a little surge, but there is part where I can actually keep the throttle open for a little bit. There you go, like right now. As you can see, I still need to tune it, but at least it starts and runs. This was not working right, so I'm not going by that. Alright, let me slowly let it idle. Okay, there you go. Found out with that ticking noise, I gotta either replace the lifters, at least on the driver's side, but I got a new set of lifters for it anyway, so that's another project. But at least it starts and runs for now. See, that's where the ticking noise coming from, driver's side. Oh, this side is quiet, so hopefully I could just tighten up the rockers, and if it still does it, I'll just replace the lifters. So I got it on standby. I am loving the exhaust though. 8.5 rear end. I will be getting it tuned by somebody if I can't get this to run. If I can't get it to the way it run, if I can't get it to the way I like it to run, I'll probably get it towed, take it to a shop, and have somebody tune it for me. But other than that, it starts and drives. And that's all that counts. It's just a first stage. Oh yeah, there's the throttle body right there. At least it goes right back to where it's supposed to be in idle. Alright, until I get any other further updates, I'll post it as soon as I can.